Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today's video, yes, I am fully glammed because we're on our way to, I don't know kung asa ko doon aning niya. Mo to siya guys. Napamili sa Chowking sa Star Mall because of my dinner and I'm so hungry. So yeah. And by the way, yes, magtagay ni pero I won't drink that much. Okay. What are you playing?
Scatter.
Oh my god. What is wrong with you? Why are you playing scatter?
Board. Ano na.
Actually, manamig kapon. And since wala pa man, like, no update pa Asami and all. Pero I think mag-MCT din, no? MCT. Yeah. So mag-MCT. So what a shop. We'll just wait here for a while or yeah, just wait here for a while for really because to and all. So nakatungog kaming signal guys. They're already there sa MCT daw. So yeah, we will go there. The boyfriend. Anyway. You know what? I'm still trying to figure things out. How this works. Okay. You know. Wala dyan ko namin na ganina sa chika sa katong. Wait. Sa chika sa katong katong lucky ganina to. Wala ko naminaw, so I'm still trying to figure things out how you really work. Anyway, we're going now. Diba? I told you. Diba talaga na sila ba? Actually, we're going there. Sam's place. Hi to my
Sir, state your name. State your name. State your name.
I'm gonna state my name.
You drunk? You Pinoy? I'm not that. Jinday. Jinday. Hey.
A few moments later.
Ang ending nga ni Ron.
Mom.
Hi guys. Hi guys. So yeah, everyone's drunk. But we're on the way to the Aznar Beach right now. Wait lang, hubog na bitaw akong kuyog. Ayun. Amot na lang jud ani akong uyab day. Amot na lang jud, di ba? Klaro din jud, di ba? So very drunk. Amot na lang jud ana niya. So drunk.
Ano ni miss ko ka Ben?
Mo, anak ako nga. Balhin mi dira.
Aga malin.
Finally home, guys, and I'm still trying to figure things out. How can I go home, like enter the house? Okay, I cannot enter the house. Oh my god. And here is it. CD. Diba? Napaka ambot na lang jud ani niya. Ambot oy nga no jud ni siya gahubog-hubog jud ni siya diri nakita. So there. Bob, open. So after how many attempts, guys, we're finally here sa house. Kangit-ngit. Wait lang. Hi guys. So after how many attempts of, pukaw everyone, finally we're home. Look at my face. Anyway, this will be the end of the vlog for now. So thank you so much, guys, and I hope you also had fun. Because I had fun, but someone's very drunk. Very drunk. Diba? Tog tayo. So drunk. I hope you had fun. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and of course, share some ideas for our next vlog. See you guys. Bye.